Good morning everybody. Welcome to Sephra Korea's channel. I am her mom here. Today I got a vegetarian recipe, okra fry vegetable. Let's get started. Come along. This vegetable I will make in two stages. Okay. This is the first stage. I light the small kadai dish. Pour some coconut oil because I have to fry the okra. Okay, let the oil get heated. Now this okra is half kg. I have nicely washed, wiped it properly and cut in this shape. Now I have to fry handful each time in this oil. Just watch how I do. I told you I am doing it in two stages, okay? Let's see if the oil is hot. No. Heat the oil, let it get heated. Once the oil gets heated properly, make the flame less. I mean medium low. I think 2 handfuls at a time, yes. Fry it properly. Yeah. I'll show you how long it has to fry. Okay, just watch. Keep on stirring it. You know why? Because this vegetable is very slimy. That's why it's always good to fry it in oil. And the other reason is it won't even lose its green color. Okay. Just show the flame. Because flame is also very important. Don't allow it to burn. When these bubbles reduce a bit, then you have to remove. It still has to reduce. You must have lot of patience in cooking, because everything has to be the right temperature, the right frying, the right seasoning. Okay? Now, you see, this much it has to fry. Look. You just judge how much you can put so that there's a proper space to get fried in this. Yeah, I do 2 handfuls each time. This should be at least 80% cooked, sort of, because after I season, the remaining 20% gets cooked. Okay, now let's have a fast look at the ingredients I'm using for the seasoning. Salt to taste, and this is to, I don't know what you say in English, this is bhindichi sola in my Konkani. Curry leaves, this is about 8 garlic cloves chopped, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, fenugreek seeds, and this is Kolhapuri masala. Kolhapuri masala, that's why I'm not using other powders. This Kolhapuri masala got all the other spices mixed in it. If you want to know how this Kolhapuri masala is done, you follow the link will be provided how to make Kolhapuri masala. This is asafoetida, hing. Okay, hing has to be also added. And people say must not eat fried stuff. It's not like that. This is coconut oil and most safe to have. Most safe. Okay. 1 big large onion finely chopped and tomatoes. Small. I'm using this big dish. Like it, medium flame, let the vessel become hot, and I'm going to use the same oil which I used to fry the okra. It is not bad. Cumin seeds also. Okay, the vessel is hot. I'm putting the same oil. You have to be very careful because okay, put in some mustard seeds, let it spurt, fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, then garlic finely chopped, you get the aroma of the garlic, then put in the onion and make it brown, slightly brown. Now, once the raw flavor of this onion is gone, put in the tomatoes and fry it till the tomatoes become soft. Now put some salt and salt for taste. Be careful not to put excess. Fry it nicely, there is no hurry. Stirring, because don't give chance for it to burn, because we are not going to use water in this preparation. We are not going to use water. I'm ambidextrous, so I can use both the hands. If my left hand is paining, I'll use my right hand, because cooking is definitely cumbersome, but it is wonderful. Okay. Put in some turmeric. Asafoetida, and now your Kolhapuri masala. Some like it spicy, so you can use more. I'll put 5 of this small spoon. Now you can cover it. Okay, you cover it, keep it on medium low. Okay, because there is no water to be put in this. As it is cooked 80%. Now that 20% your masala has to get into it. And I have to put this Bindichi Sola. Just 2. I put the Bindichi Sola. Let it cook on slow flame. I'll keep it another 2 minutes. Yeah, it is done. You must just check like this. See, if you notice, I have not put water. This is half kilo of okra. Okay, another 2 minutes I put it off. Option is you can put scraped coconut, but today I don't want to put scraped coconut. See, yes, it's done. I'm putting it off and keep it. In totality, I don't know how much of time, because it depends how long you take to fry. It is in 2 stages, no? Come, I'll take it to the table. My dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In fact, my daughter's channel, and I'll put many more videos, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Request me what you want. Okay? A big library of my recipes I have. Thank you. Healthy living, happy living, contented living. Bye-bye. In the beginning when I was cooking, it will not lose it, this lovely olive green color. You see, when you put water, it becomes slimy and it loses its color. The natural color. See, I am getting the aroma of the okra, and it's very healthy vegetable. Because I cooked it in coconut oil, have put the spices, and okra itself is good. It contains, I believe, iron. Thank you.